Hi guys, it's Michaela with your Everyday Woman. So I decided to do this little something fun today. I know I haven't done any makeup videos in a while, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox my May Boxycharm. Here are some of the stuff that's in it. The theme is Mother's Day. So yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. I'm going to go ahead and start in with this Studio Makeup East Wear eyeshadow palette. Here are the colors in it. It does remind me a lot of the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, but I feel like the tones in here are a little bit more rosy. I'll have to do a side-by-side comparison video. But here are some swatches. Hopefully you can tell they're very rosy toned. See, this is my first time trying to film this on my phone. I usually have my camera equipment, but that's just not a possibility right now. But here are some swatches. So yeah, it's a pretty palette. It might be a really good alternative. The price on it, this retails for $35, so you're not getting a huge price difference if you are looking at Naked Reloaded, but you are getting a little bit something, although there appears to be less shades. Let's see, there's 9 shades as opposed to 12. Something I don't like about this upon initial reaction is that it smells like that artificial chocolate smell. I mean, for some people that might not be an issue, but for me, that's like the worst thing you can do to any kind of makeup product, is make it smell artificial. So, but other than that, I'll just have to see how it performs. My second thing that I got is this, I think it's my Gerard Cosmetics lip liner. Here's a swatch on my hand. Very creamy formula. Seems like it'll work good. I'm actually pretty excited about this. Another thing I got is this pretty Vulgar eye primer. Oh, by the way, this retails for $22. Another thing is this pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. I've been meaning to get a new one for a while. I had my Urban Decay, what's it called? It's the Urban Decay Eden Primer Potion for a while now. It pretty much expired, so I'm glad to have gotten this. And then this is the Stephanie Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. I tried this briefly. I really liked it. I thought it was good. It smelled nice. It tasted nice. And that retails for $24. And last but not least, I don't remember what my choice was for this month, but I want to say it might have been this, the Elemis Resurfacing facial pads. And I opened a Boxycharm a couple months back, which was the First Aid Beauty one, which I did end up repurchasing because I liked it. I don't think it's going to open with one hand, but they're just a little pads that you can put on your face, and I love using them after my showers when I'm trying to take off my face makeup. I'll usually use like Vaseline to do my eyes, and then I'll do the pads for face makeup. So now I won't be having to repurchase these or anything like this probably through the summer, because I don't wear makeup every single day, and I'm sure through the summer that'll end up being less and less. But that retails for $59 total. The retail value on this box is $159, and I was actually very pleased with what I got. My only complaint would just again be the scent on this eyeshadow palette, and I'd have to try it out to see if I like the formula. But if it is good, it might be a good alternative to the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded. Anyway, on that note, I hope you enjoyed this kind of fun little video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. God bless, and bye guys.